For all the kids back home watching, I don't condone this types of lunches before races. These kids are from the wild. Yeah, they're built different, so.
You a bad bitch, fuck it up. Freak bitch, you touch your toes like what? She said it's summertime, you tryna have some fun. If you a freak, do your shit, don't run, don't do no running. Summertime shit, wish hoes fuck. Gonna take this little bitch, yeah, that nigga ain't on nothing. Fuck pound town, tryna go to Soul City. Your bitch turned up, she said, can you put it in me? Like what? Okay, let's get it. Shit, I done fucked up the whole program. I beat her off the wall, dick her down, get nasty on cam. She know I fuck her right all night, alright. Turning off the lights, I'm beating like a mic. Tell her don't run from this pipe. Let me see you fucked up. Go ahead, shake some.
Let's go. We got the new FactoryFilmz merch out. This is the bag. They have like hoodies, black hoodie, gray hoodie. I'll have to show you guys. I'll put it in the video of what we have. This is my girlfriend's hoodie. It's the black one. I like the black one, but personally I think the gray one's actually better. Yes sir, baby. Bag is secured, brand new, 2024 CRF 250R. We're gonna go rip this. First step is taking off these handlebars. I already took off the pad. I'm gonna start taking off the clutch and everything on here. And I'm gonna switch it out for these ODIs right here with the crossbar pad. This is the one I always go for. It's the same exact one as the Suzuki. And I'm gonna put handguards on it, and I'm gonna put grips on it, and that'll be that's the first thing I'm doing to this bike, and it's gonna be tonight. So find the tools to do it, and I'll show you guys what's going on.
Dude, you might be the gay one. You might be the gay one, dude. You're gonna be the last one here.
That's fine.
We made it to Cody's house. We pulled up. Nico's coming. Tegan's coming. It's gonna be pretty fire day. The dirt is wet.
Huh?
Like I said, it was raining last night, so
In the garage.
should be a pretty sweet day.
I'm the guy in the group besides Liam with the Yamaha. Wait, Liam. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna get a key. Yeah, the one that just
Holy
snapped
smokes! It's a Honda race day, and then we got this guy.
it. Yeah. Got any chain lube?
Nope.
I got chain lube?
Oh, he's eating a third burrito. Sent me a snap earlier eating burrito, now he's eating another one.
That's good math.
Good math.
Everybody has two.
Well, I said 3 because it sounded more funny. You know what I'm saying?
I think it should be ready when it's new, right?
Yeah, should be.
Okay, bet.
Where are we dropping?
Pleasant Park.
Nah, tilted. I'm a big tilted guy.
I'm more of a salty, actually. I like salty.
I like retail sometimes if it's late drop.
Oh yeah.
Pizza, Mountain Dew, this guy will moto for the rest of the day.
They're gonna do a 45-minute moto, and I'm gonna film. So.
Get on full belly.
Heck yeah!
Full belly.
Thank you, sir. What are you pulling up with the supplies? The supply drop on Fortnite.
He's just a llama because he didn't bring any weapons.
Hey, where's my mats?
You're a llama, huh?
I got 500 metal for you.
I need to see.
Cody's goggles.
Nah, bro, you don't see with that.
They're custom.
I'm a big clear guy, though. I don't like the lenses and stuff.
You're a clear guy?
That's what I'm running.
My nutritional trainer here brought me some pizza.
Yeah.
He said it's good for the
I'm about the boys
motos.
eating ready for motos.
Yes, and Mountain Dew.
Yeah.
Gets you amped up, makes you focus. It also makes your tummy hurt. Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3, baby. Yes.
For all the kids back home watching, I don't condone this types of lunches before races or riding.
What'd you say?
These kids are from the wild. They're built different, so I don't condone this.
This guy might have a splash of gas.
Really?
Yeah, I don't actually have any.
Yeah, go ahead.
I just need a little bit.
Okay, go ahead.
I'll video it.
Hell no. What?
I'll video it.
Filling up. Pause gas.
Just a little bit. Alright, it's good.
Yeah. How many times is your goal to lap us this 45?
3.
3?
Times?
I don't know.
Cody's
You guys
pretty
making me
Cody's
look
pretty
like I'm
fast.
taking this shit. I don't
No,
know how fast
not
I am.
even close to him.
Cody's pretty fast.
We'll
but-
see. We'll see.
Who is this squid? I don't even know this guy.
I didn't even know.
Oh, almost. Your battery's gonna run out.
Hold it 1 sec.
I mean,
It is a little past its maintenance period. It's been like 3 years.
Bro.
It's alright. It'll start.
It's close. It's almost there. Let's go, Tegan.
It's waiting for me to put my helmet on.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Come on,
That thing does.
What's the move? Tell me what it is. Walking on count blues up with my bitch. My baby, that's my swing. Get outside, you can't get in. Hard code is my wrist, but I spent on ever since. I'm doing the most. Vacation on the coast. Just me, my bitch, security with the pole. And actually, I'm with me. I can't let you go. Red carpet, kiss me, pose. Windows up, we smoke the road, so tell me just one more time. You put it on your life. I'm sick of wasting time. I need some peace of mind. I wanna leave.
Yeah, 45 minutes, baby. How you feel?
Sir. Feel good. Feel like I could have done 45 more. After my right
Really?
here from the Mountain Dew.
Nah, shouldn't have drinking that. Oh, Nico's catching up with Cody.
I'm sick of wasting time. I need some peace of mind. I wanna leave the country, baby. Come with me, let's ride. Free band wanna join my team. That bitch motherfucker keen. Track on me like I.
Did you see him jump this? That section?
Yeah, right
He's
here.
hitting how you're supposed to.
Really?
I don't know
I
how.
need to get him on that section.
Yeah.
Is he gonna keep going right now?
Yeah.
All right.
He's in that 45.
Probably got. Yeah,
I think I
probably got-
ate too much at lunch, right? I can't get this shit
Dude,
button.
I got a big cramp right here after 2 laps. I pulled off.
Alright, little update. Cody pulled off. He got scared. Because this guy's gnarly. Nah, Cody's still good, but you know, just when you compare him to this guy.
Yeah.
This guy's gnarly. I knocked the air out of myself so bad.
What?
I knocked the air out of myself so
Really? What
bad.
happened?
I just ate the bars in my chest. I couldn't breathe for like 2 laps.
Dude, he's a beast. Still going? Let's see how much time we got left. 17 minutes left. Holy smokes. Let's see if he keeps going.
He will.
My arms are destroyed. Thing barks.
You look good.
Watching you out there, it's like watching an angel fly through the heavens. Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, I got like that, but I didn't. It wasn't that sketchy.
Yeah, yeah.
Like I felt like it did kick, but I felt like I was in control at the same time. It was like weird.
Yeah, you didn't like. It didn't look like you're almost gonna crash. It just looked gnarly.
Oh, bro, that was the long. I feel I've been riding for like 3 hours now. I actually didn't get that tired, but this shoulder, the one I crashed on the race, Glen Helen the other day, like it got sore so fast. Like tired, like after 10 minutes I was already sore, like shoulder, not arm pump, shoulder. Well, if anyone's got an extra pro circuit, I can have it. Yeah, the front brake is a little touchy, huh? We're good.
This life will be the death of my bib, blunt 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 of my bib. Wake up like the moon, before I cut, fell asleep, my bitch look like she Cherokee, crib like I'm selling keys, my dick feel like some therapy. By that life I guarantee you live your life vicariously. This life gon' be the death of me. And she don't care where I ski. Hit that hoe from head to feet. She walk out here, she wearing me. I talk my shit, she smelling me. And all I hear is jealousy. I call it a little jelly bean. Got my trigger fingers so much I bought it a wedding ring. Yeah, let's get married. Cut off his head and the rest get buried. Cross on my head like a Presbyterian. Tryna be dead, don't say he's parent. Kids get shit only if you care. Right on this ass and Rick be there. 12 gauges like 24 carats. Hold up, ain't that a bitch? I might be like a bitch if I go at a neck on my hand and a bitch.
Every time like, the new sound comes out.
Wait up.
Sorry, sir.
I only got 1,700 for views from this shit.
That's better than I'm getting.
Yeah, no, that's great. Mine's best TikTok known to man.
Yeah.
How is this not blowing up? Like, bro, how is this not blowing up? And then I fucking unload my bike.
Bro, homie has Supercross tomorrow. He can't be getting hurt. Oh crap. Look at the sunset.
Yo, 0.5 by the liquid.
Oh no, dude. What'd he do?
You went like this. You went like that, dude. Now I know he's just gonna fix it.
Oh shoot. Oh! Oh! He's good. He's good. Yes, dude, right there. Oh my gosh. Dude, that woohoo! Oh yeah, dude. That was the gnarliest angle. Holy crap. Oh my gosh.
How do you just do that? Look at this angle in 0.5.
Hey, the sunset's gonna get you bitches.
I wanted to try and do like something in there, but it.
Bro.
Dude, is Cody ironing up? Oh my.
His foot blew off on the freaking run-up. His foot was straight off the peg.
Oh, there's a cactus in his. Oh. That's desert life for you. No, dude. You can't.
Fucking wick.
You can't be risking it.
If you want to hit it, you would have to come from the start, just pin. Like,
You think like that, even that, if I didn't hold on all the way, I wouldn't have made it?
No. You need to go faster in the beginning. I don't know exactly how, like, I don't know, it's hard. Because I go pretty good. And then on the lip, I give it that extra gas. Look, let me try your bike.
Yes, sir. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Yeah!
Fuck yeah. That was
He did it, boys.
perfect, dude.
He did it. Let's go, baby!
Shit, dude. That was a stretch, bro.
Dude.
That's so much bigger than.
Yeah, after just go for it.
Bro, I greased it, too.
Yeah,
Dude, that was sick as fuck.
Hell yeah, dude. Can I see that video?
I was like, this better not be a tibia video.
Bro, I told myself I'm
You
not
were
casing
wicked,
this.
huh?
Because I cased it, but I'm not scared of casing it, you know? I trust my suspension.
Look at that landing.
My suspension is stiff.
That was perfect. Wait. Oh, you're gonna keep doing it?
I'm only gonna do it a couple more times.
Alright. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's so sick. Oh, that's so sick, bro.
Oh my god. Hey, can you feel my tires, like my spokes, dude? I hit like a bump down there and it just like felt like it exploded.
What am I gonna feel your? Oh. Oh. Uh-oh.
Nah, just
It's just loose.
I'm good. And it gets the heart racing.
This is gnarly.
Carson was like, hey, are you gonna hit this thing? I was like, I don't know, hopefully one day.
5 months later.
Oh yeah, bro. Hey, this is the last thing I thought I was doing today.
How do you feel you finally done it?
Accomplished. But holy shit, my nuts are in my stomach every time.
Oh my god, bro.
I'm done.
You're done?
learn something from me today?
Yeah.
Look, you grab your jersey. The first thing you do is put your pants in,
It stays all balled up and sweaty.
and then you can put everything else.
You guys tech tips?
And then
It's gonna be a YouTube
it,
short.
It stays like that, and if you want, you can close it out.
It's like the sack.
And it's like a
SpongeBob
bag,
goes
you know?
around.
It's all one.
Nico's
welcome,
tech
boys.
tips.
You're welcome.
Tech tips with
You're
Nico
welcome.
Israel. Thank you, man. Whoa. You good, boss? Oh, you hit the pipe. Oh, it's dented. You gotta give me it.
Gotta give me an. That's